Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can activate your Messenger account. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the chats section, people, and right here you're gonna find stories. So right now, I'm gonna go back to chats and then once you're here in the chat sections, right here you're gonna find all of your conversations. And here in the top left corner, you're gonna find this little sandwich icon. Go ahead and click on it. Then right here you're gonna find chats, marketplace, message requests, and archive. And here in the top, you're gonna find this gear icon. If you click on it, this will take you to this page. So basically, guys, right here, you're gonna find all of the settings related to Messenger. So right now, what you need to do, guys, is scroll down, scroll all the way down, and then right here, under Account Center, you're gonna find personal details and passwords and security. So right now, go ahead and click on personal details, and then right here, you're gonna find your personal details. Here you're gonna find account, personal details, password and security, your informations and permissions, add preferences, and MetaPay. So right now, if you go to password and security, here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to change your password, add two-factor authentication if you want, and so on. And here in personal details, you're going to find identity confirmation. If you click on identity confirmation, from here, you can confirm your identity. You might be asked to provide proof of your identity if you want to do things like run ads about social issues, elections, or politics, and so on. So if you want to confirm your identity, just click right here and then follow the steps. Then you're going to be able to confirm your identity. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.